It starts with a question that has been asked more frequently in recent months. What happens when a technology doesn't just change how people work, but reshapes the entire distribution of power and wealth? A technology that is fascinating and unsettling at the same time. A technology that can be both a tool and a threat. A technology that elevates certain figures in the global economy into even greater positions of influence. And few names are discussed as intensely in this context as Elon Musk. Today, Musk is seen not only as a visionary but also as a symbol of a new era, an era in which artificial intelligence is shifting wealth at a speed society can hardly keep up with. This is what this story is about. A global race and one man at the center. The global AI boom has reached dimensions that surprise even experienced investors. In the background, a new kind of economic gravity is forming, a phase where companies pour billions into AI, knowing that whoever falls behind now may never catch up. Elon Musk stands at the front of this movement. He invests, builds, experiments, launches new labs, new models, new ventures, always pushing the boundary outward. But while AI attracts enormous sums of money and opens massive profit opportunities, a pressing question grows louder: who benefits and who gets left behind? A shift in power. While some tech companies focus on safety frameworks and governments work to understand technologies that evolve faster than policy ever could, another dynamic moves forward relentlessly. AI is becoming the world's most powerful productivity engine. And Musk, as a symbol of this evolution, represents a growing kind of economic influence. Because even though AI brings incredible opportunities, the core incentive for companies remains unchanged: increase productivity, cut costs, automate work. The result is a trend that is now impossible to overlook. Wealth is concentrating upward, faster than ever before. And pressure is rising for millions of workers. Why Musk gets richer means more than one fortune. This is not about Elon Musk as an individual. It is not about personal criticism or political positions. His name simply illustrates something larger. AI shifts wealth toward those who own, develop, or deploy it at scale. Companies worldwide follow the same logic: invest, scale, automate. But Musk's companies make this especially clear. Self-driving systems, robotic manufacturing, AI-driven decisions. His ventures showcase the full economic impact of automation. And as AI becomes more capable, the effect intensifies. Profits go up. Human labor requirements go down. And millions of people ask themselves, where will the future jobs come from? Or will they come at all? When AI replaces more work than it creates? Economists often argue that technological revolutions historically created new jobs. But many experts now warn that this comparison may no longer hold. In the past, machines replaced physical labor, but humans still dominated thinking, creativity, and communication. Now, for the first time, AI challenges the very tasks that made human workers essential: analyzing, reasoning, writing, organizing, designing. This is the turning point. If machines begin performing not only physical tasks, but cognitive tasks, the economic consequences are vastly different. A majority of the productivity gains flow to corporations and shareholders, not workers. Which means rising inequality is not a possibility, it is already happening. Investment levels the world has never seen. Look at the past few years. Trillions of dollars have flooded into AI companies, data centers, chip manufacturers, and research labs. These investments drive stock markets. They reshape entire industries. They create new trillion-dollar valuations. And Musk, being deeply involved in robotics, automotive AI, infrastructure, and model development, is positioned to benefit from this shift almost automatically. But this also means something else. The more money AI attracts, the stronger the pressure becomes to recover this investment. And the fastest, most profitable way to achieve that? Automation replacing human labor. It's not malicious. It's not new. But AI accelerates this cycle dramatically. A race without a brake pedal. Governments and companies alike are in a paradox. On one hand, awareness of AI's risks is growing. Economic risks, social consequences, safety concerns. On the other hand, global competition forces constant acceleration. China expands its AI capabilities aggressively. The United States races to maintain dominance. Europe struggles to stay relevant. Everyone wants to win or at least avoid losing. But in this rapid race, one group is often overlooked. Workers whose jobs vanish faster than new ones appear. Industries transform. Regions decline. Societies drift apart. While national strategies evolve and corporations chase market dominance, the impact on everyday people becomes unavoidable. A complex reality. Despite all risks, AI has enormous potential. It can improve healthcare, expand access to education, predict natural disasters, streamline public infrastructure, optimize energy usage, Save lives. AI is not the enemy, it is a tool. A powerful tool. A tool that can help everyone, but only if used responsibly. The problem is not the technology. It's the imbalance, how the economic benefits are distributed. And that imbalance is what makes the Musk example so relevant. Governments face historic decisions, global coordination is needed. Clear standards are needed, a long-term economic vision is needed. But nations prioritize their own interests. Corporations prioritize growth. And the world accelerates without guardrails. How much time is left before choices become irreversible? No one knows. Some analysts believe a dramatic incident, a wake-up call, may be required for true global cooperation to begin. Whether that happens is uncertain. But the warning is clear. The world is standing at a major turning point. The outcome is becoming visible. No matter how the debate unfolds, one conclusion is difficult to avoid. The fortunes of major AI players will continue to grow. And Musk is among the most visible of them, benefiting from advances in robotics, automation, AI research, and intelligent systems. At the same time, a substantial portion of today's workforce faces uncertainty. This trend is not theoretical. It is already happening. It affects millions. It will define the next decade. The question, why will Musk get richer, has a straightforward answer: because AI disproportionately rewards those who own it. The harder question is, what happens to the people whose jobs are replaced? This issue will shape economies, politics, and social stability for years to come. And that is why conversations like this matter, not to spread fear, but to encourage responsibility.